Looking for a reliable fuel injector for your Komatsu excavator? Check out our ViDiShi construction machinery part. Common rail injector for 145,120,231. This high-quality fuel injector is designed specifically for models PC200-8 and PC220-8, ensuring you get the best performance from your machinery. Construction machinery parts common rail injector 445,120,231. For Komatsu Excavator PC200-8 PC220-8. OE number for 145,120,231. Compatibility perfectly fits Komatsu Excavator PC200 and PC220-8 models. Material made from high-speed steel. For durability and efficiency. Fuel type diesel. Warranty 12 months. Delivery time 10-20 days. Brand ViDiShi. Manufacturer Dongguan VID is High Technology Co. Limited. At ViDiShi, we specialize in high-quality automotive parts. Our injectors are built to provide reliable performance and are compatible with both original and replacement needs. With our fuel injector, you can expect superior performance, boost your excavator's efficiency. With our high-quality diesel fuel injector, universal fitment means you can get back to work without hassle. Enhance your robust materials. Our injector withstands tough conditions. We know that finding the right parts can be a challenge, especially with varying qualities in the market. Many injectors fail to deliver consistent performance, leading to increased downtime. That's where we come in. Our thorough quality checks ensure you receive only the best, reducing repair costs and enhancing productivity. Don't miss out on improving your excavators. For inquiries, contact us via WhatsApp, WeChat, TSKIS 13,509,025,030. Email sales@vidishi.com.